The art of appreciating the brave and gallant is not new. They form one of the most important constituents of a nation's stability. History defines gallantry as commanded respect and appreciation. The concept of emancipation of the brave is recognized in our epics too. Sacrifice of life on the battlefield was considered glorious. Recognition of bravery has always been a very prestigious affair. A team of passionate and proud young Indians, ably supported by several students, teachers, alumni of Sri Nateshan Vidyasala School at Mannivakam, present this video series Jai Jawan, giving a small account about those great personalities who have been recognized and appreciated by the Government of India for their act of bravery and sacrifice. This series is designed to kindle the sense of pride and awareness among the young minds of this great Bharat. Gallantry Awards have been instituted by the Government of India to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifice of the officers, personnel of the armed forces, other lawfully constituted forces, and civilians. Post-independence, first three gallantry awards, namely Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, were instituted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950, which were deemed to have effect from the 15th August 1947. Thereafter, other three gallantry awards, that is Ashoka Chakra Class 1, Ashoka Chakra Class 2 and Ashoka Chakra Class 3 were instituted by the Government of India on 4th January 1952, which were deemed to have effect from the 15th August 1947. These awards were renamed as Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra respectively in January 1967. These gallantry awards are announced twice in a year, first on the occasion of the Republic Day, then on the occasion of the Independence Day. Order of precedence of these awards is the Paramveer Chakra, the Ashok Chakra, the Mahavir Chakra, the Kirti Chakra, the Veer Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra PVC is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Paramveer Chakra translates as the greatest of the ultimate brave, and the award is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of the enemy. The medal of the PVC was designed by Savitri Kanolkar, wife of Vikram Ramji Kanolkar, a Maratha royal of Savantwadi state. He was also an Indian Army officer who was posthumously promoted to the rank of Major General. Their daughter's brother-in-law, Major Somnath Sharma, was coincidentally awarded the first PVC. As of January 2018, the medal has been awarded 21 times, of which 14 were posthumous and 16 arose from actions in Indo-Pakistani conflicts. Of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and 1 has been from the Indian Air Force. Only 21 military personnel have received this award till date. The Mahavir Chakra, MVC, literally means Great Warrior Medal, is the second highest military decoration in India after the Paramveer Chakra and is awarded for the acts of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Order. The medal may be awarded posthumously. More than 218 acts of bravery and selfless courage have been recognized since the inception of the medal. The most MVCs awarded in a single conflict was in the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, when 11 were given to the Indian Air Force. Provision was made for the award of a bar for a second award of the Mahavir Chakra, the first two being awarded in 1965. To date, there are 6 known awards of a first bar. Veer Chakra. Veer Chakra is an Indian gallantry award presented for the acts of gallantry in the presence of the enemy on the battlefield. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Cross, Military Cross and Distinguished Flying Cross. Award of the decoration carries with it the right to use VR.C as a post-nominal abbreviation. Note the care to distinguish this abbreviation from that for the Victoria Cross (VC). It is third in precedence in the Wartime Gallantry Awards and comes after the Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra, established by the President of India on 26 January 1950 with effect from 15 August 1947. The statutes were amended on 12 January 1952 to readjust the order of wearing as new decorations were established. The Ashok Chakra is India's highest peacetime military decoration, awarded for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. It is the peacetime equivalent of the Paramveer Chakra and is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent valor or self-sacrifice other than in the face of the enemy. The decoration may be awarded either to military or civilian personnel. Subsequent awards of the Ashok Chakra are recognized by a bar to a medal ribbon. A recipient can be awarded the Kirti Chakra or Shaurya Chakra in addition for separate acts of gallantry. The medal was originally established on 4th January 1952 as the Ashoka Chakra Class 1 as the first step of a three-class sequence of a non-combatant bravery decorations. In 1967, these decorations were removed from the class-based system and named as Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. The Kirti Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the field of battle. It may be awarded to civilians as well as military personnel, including posthumous awards. It is the peacetime equivalent of the Mahavir Chakra. It is second in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Awards. It comes after Ashok Chakra and before Shaurya Chakra. Before 1967, the award was known as the Ashoka Chakra Class 2, established as the Ashoka Chakra Class 2 by the President of India on 4th January 1952 with effect from 15th August 1947. The statutes were revised and the decoration renamed on 27th January 1967. The Shaurya Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice while not engaged in direct action with the enemy. It may be awarded to civilians as well as military personnel, sometimes posthumously. It is third in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Awards and comes after the Ashoka Chakra and the Kirti Chakra. It precedes the Sena Medal, established as the Ashoka Chakra Class 3 by the President of India 4th January 1952 with effect from 15th August 1947. The statutes were revised and the decoration renamed on 27th January 1967. Before 1967, the award was known as the Ashoka Chakra Class 3. Subsequent awards of the Shaurya Chakra are recognized by a bar to the medal ribbon. To date, 5 have been awarded. It is possible for a recipient to be awarded the Ashoka Chakra or Kirti Chakra in addition for separate acts of gallantry. Since July 1999, it is also being given to civilians of either gender in all walks of life other than members of police forces and of recognized fire services. We hope this video series, Jai Jawan, would be impactful and would provide a great insight and learning experience to all the viewers as it did for each of us while making this series. Jai Hind.